Hello, it's Audrey from Odds and Ends. Welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome. Today we are doing Flip Through Friday. This is hosted by Gwen the Trash Witch, and we are going to look through this new book I just picked up at Barnes & Noble. And yes, I've gotten old. I will admit it. Bird watching is kind of cool. We have the Wild Bird Preserve, and it's one of my favorite places to walk. And while we, right now it's probably not the best time, but for a $10 price, I had to pick it up. This is the Bird Watcher's Field Guide. It's a sticker and logbook. And we are going up to northern Nevada. First week of August, and then we're going to hopefully go to California around Halloween. So figure this would be fun to take. And it says, the seasonal stuff. It's how to use the book. And we have the common name, scientific name, appearance, best places to spot, typical nesting, where they live, their calls, etc. And then they group these with similar type birds who enjoy similar habitats, so you're not jumping around all over the place. And then let's say your gear, the ID book, your binoculars if need be, and but the best part, it shows parts of the bird of prey, but look, it tells you where you find them and a photo of them, and then it will say across the US, across Canada, Alaska, and then your notes. But the best part is they have the stickers back here. So once you find one, you put the sticker on the page. Now I have a similar thing of the birds that we have at our bird preserve, but it's just a little check mark. At least I can cross-reference it with this, and I'm like, okay, this is when we could probably see that here. And yes, there will be some birds in here I'll never get to see. And like this gull. Not so much unless, when I go to California, the beach, yes, I can. And let's see. There'll be a few that I won't be able to see. Like this one, great blue heron. Unlikely, but I have seen him here before. So while you say I don't have him, I've seen him here. But I'll see him when I go up to Reno. So, but most of them, like this one, ruby throat hummingbird. Okay, they lie because they do have those here. I have photos. But there's going to be different hummingbirds in here, but yeah, I can't wait to play. I love search books. This will be so much fun. Okay, this one I won't be able to find. I can pretty much guarantee I am not going down to Mexico anytime soon. And I probably won't be going up to the Great Lakes or Canada anytime soon. But you never know. American white pelican. We have them here. They like Lake Mead. But isn't this a fun book? And for $10. Yay. Yeah, like, okay, it says it's only east of the Great Plains. We have one very, very, very similar, and it's listed that we have it here. So, not 100% about that one because it is listed as here. But it does say it's a migratory hummingbird, so anyway, yeah. So if you like to bird watch and you're looking for an interactive book that you can put stickers on and feel like you accomplished something, this one it is. Okay, thanks everyone for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.